So again, good day. This is our last problem or fifth problem for this basic integration problem. So, ang way ko nito guys is mag-upload ako ng 5 problems every day sa basic integration. And also, mag-make din ako ng ibang videos about sa methods ng integration like U substitution, about sa trigo functions, etc. Okay? 5 problems every day. And so, for our last problem sa basic integration, we have this integral of 2 minus x over 2 raised to 2 dx. Okay? So first, our first solution is, first step is, itong 2 minus x over 2, i-combine mo siya as one fraction. So combine as one fraction. Okay? Numerator. All pala. So this will become insert. Let's just make na lang this as the same fraction like this one. Okay? Minus x over 2, right? By 2. After, so this will become 2 times 2. Since this is 2 pala, this will become 4. Okay? And after, combine na natin siya. So, magiging 4 minus x over 2. Okay? Gets? And then, let us substitute this as our new form sa ating integral. So, this will become integral of this one here. Copy ko lang. And then, raised to 2 dx. Okay? Next, gawin natin siyang itong, tawag ito. Itong raised to 2 or yung exponent niya dito is pwede siyang i-distribute sa numerator and denominator. Again, let us recall that if we have madalas yung exponent, dito na lang siguro. If meron tayong ganito, let's say wait. Ulit. Ito. And then, meron tayong fraction. Ganyan. Let's say we have a over b raised to n. Let's say n. That is equal sa a raised to n over b raised to n, right? Pwede mo siya i-distribute yung power. So, therefore, our integral will become integral lang 4 minus x raised to 2 over, this will become 2 raised to 2. Okay? And then dx. Next is itong numerator, expand the numerator. Okay? Expand natin yung numerator. So this will become yan. Okay. So, yung 4 minus x, magiging ganito siya. Okay. Insert equation pala. Yan. 4 minus x, and then 4 minus x, right? And then, distribute using FOIL method, the first term will become 4 times 4 is 16. And then 4 minus times negative x is negative 4x. And then negative x times 4 is negative 4x. And lastly, x times x is simply equals to positive x squared, right? Then simplify further, combine these two, this negative 4x and negative 4x, that will become 16. Negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8, or simply negative 8x, and then plus x squared. Okay, so therefore our integral will become copy this this whole term, because ito na yung numerator natin. Yan. Over 2 squared is simply equals to 4, right? And then dx. Next thing to do, since our denominator is just a one term or monomial, so pwede mo siyang i-write as or split off itong fraction into 3. Okay? Because there are 3 terms sa itaas. So magiging ganito siya. For the first term, since 16 over 4 is a constant lang, which is equals to 4, so labas ko yung 4, and then together with the x, magiging ganyan, diba? Minus 8x over 4, so 8 over 4 is 2, and then may negative, so magiging negative 2, and then integral ng x dx. Okay? And then lastly, plus x squared over 4, so merong constant na 1/4, labas ko na lang siya. And then, integral ng x squared dx. Okay? After, apply natin yung rules or formula ng integration. So, for the first term, this will just become integral ng dx is simply x, or meron 4, so magiging 4x, minus 2 times integral ng x is simply x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, right? And then plus 1/4, and then times the x raised to 2 plus 1 plus, this 1 over 2 plus 1. And since tapos na mag-integrate, pwede ka na mag-add ng plus c. Okay? And lastly, simplify lang natin yung mga terms. So, sa second term, pwede siya i-simplify as negative 2 times x plus 1 x raised to 1 plus 1 is simply equals to x squared. And this will become 2. Okay? Plus, itong 1/4, magiging ganito siya. Copy ko na lang ito lahat. Okay? Magiging 1/4. X raised to 2 plus 1 is simply 3. And then dito naman over 3. Ito lang. 3. Okay? And lastly, simplify pa natin. Maka-combine, or masisimplify itong 2, maka-cancel sa second term. So, it will left only with x squared. Right? And para naman sa last term is multiply lang natin itong 4 and 3. So, that will become 12, or simply x cubed, x cubed over 12, and then plus c. Okay? And since wala na ma-simplify, so therefore this is now our final answer. This one, okay? So yun lang kadali guys, di ba? From the word itself, basic integration. So we just need to apply some algebra and yeah, algebra skills, expansion, factor out, and etc. So that's it for the last problem, and hopefully nagets nyo, and kung gusto nyo more problems, meron akong TikTok channel, the same pa rin, Sin Costal. There, sa channel ko doon, tingnan mo lang profile ko. There are a lot of problem sets that I uploaded, okay? And sa YouTube naman, I will try to upload more videos explaining step-by-step solution. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share. Bye bye. Thank you.